Hello and welcome to Main Street Party of Four. We are just 15 days away from our next Disney adventure. We just wanted to drop a little video. I know it's been a while since we've done one, but we do have a lot of content that we plan on getting when we're down there in 2 weeks, and we just can't wait to bring it to you. But today we have a delivery from the Magic Candle Company. Let's see what we got.
Welcome home.
All right, coming out of the package first is Rome is Burning. That's right, from Spaceship Earth. It is Rome is Burning. I cannot wait to try this one. I gotta get a smell. I gotta get a smell of it. Oh.
Yeah.
It smells like incense that they burn in church. Yeah, just like it smells on the ride. What else is next? Flying over Africa. This is supposed to smell like the grass and the dirt when you're flying over Africa and soaring over the world, which is changing the soaring over America. Can't wait to get that for you guys to see. It does. It smells like grass and dirt. So there we go. So far we have 2. Oh, and we've got the Tiki Terrace. This is one of my favorites. The Tiki Terrace. It's got a nice tropical smell to it. Sorry, got my finger in the way there. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. There you go. The
Truth
Tiki
be told,
Terrace.
Chad already had this, and I liked it so much I ordered it for myself.
So there we go. And do we have one more left? Flying over orange groves. Ooh, yeah.
This one's one of my favorites.
Smells just like oranges.
If you can't tell, I like soaring.
Yeah. So there we go. That's the 4 that we got from the Magic Candle Company this time. We've got Flying Over Africa, Flying Over the Orange Groves, Rome is Burning, and the Tiki Terrace. Do you guys use Magic Candle Company? They did not sponsor this video at all. We bought these ourselves, but if you guys like Magic Candle Company too, let us know what your favorite scents are. And that's going to do it. We can't wait to bring you some exciting new content in the next few weeks. So, you know what we like to say. Don't forget to share the magic.
Main Street Party of Four.